My instructor has helped me to be more confident in myself, and he showed me that I can do things, and even if things get messed up, I can easily fix it, and I can always ask other people for help if I need it.
In freshman year, I did welding, not knowing really what it was, and I got the basics of it, and just placing down a bead really interested me. Depending on what we're doing, mistakes are always made. From a simple grinder malfunctioning, we learn to fix that problem and think outside of the box. I enjoy welding very much. I wish that I was able to pursue this a little bit sooner.
Well, it's given us a lot of opportunity for career, a lot of opportunity for connections, which in trades is one of probably the most important things you can have. These classes are good for hands-on learning. If that is something that interests you more than studying from a book, these are the classes that would best suit you.